With a new school year just around the corner, Google Docs Templates by Cloud HQ makes it easier than ever to gear up for students. This app is loaded with lesson plan templates for teachers and other free resources that'll make going back to school a breeze. Not sure where to start? Just install the app from the Google Chrome Web Store. Once it's installed, you'll have instant access to the Google Docs template library right from your Google Drive. Here you'll find hundreds of thoughtfully designed Google Docs templates, but there's a special section just for teachers like you. Where you'll find free lesson plan templates like these. We also have some other free teaching materials available, like guided reading lesson plans, teacher checklists, meet the teacher pages, teaching schedules, and more. With Google Docs templates, I can plan my lesson plans smoothly, so there's less surprises for me or for my students and their parents. Cloud HQ, helping your productivity one click at a time. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you want to know about all the latest apps that make you more productive at work.